Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to see how to invoke ChatGPT, the OpenAI, using Salesforce Apex and display the values in Lightning Web Component. First, we have to create a remote site settings. Here I created with the remote site URL as https colon double slash api.openai.com, and I have made sure the active checkbox is enabled. So first we are creating this remote site settings, since we are going to do HTTP request from our Apex code. Next, you can make use of this sample Apex code and the Lightning Web Component to display the values. In the Apex class, I'm setting the URL as api.openai.com/v1.completions. This might have changed now, or it might change, so you have to definitely check the um, references from api.openai.com for the latest URL. Next, I'm setting the endpoint as this one, and I'm setting the method as post. Content type should be application/JSON, and in the header, for security purpose or for authorization purpose, we are setting authorization where bearer space OpenAPI token. So you have to get this OpenAPI token from your ChatGPT account. Once I get the response, I'm using OpenAPI result wrapper. This is my another inner wrapper class where I will get the created model, and I created one more inner class called choice wrapper. Here I will get the string. So in the choice wrapper only, in the choices only, I will get the values that are going to be matched based on the um, matching criteria, and then it will be returning. One important thing here to notice, I am sending str prompt, which is a string variable. So based on this str prompt, okay, so here I have hard coded the prompt directly as a Salesforce scores, but here you can pass the str prompt. So here, instead of directly passing the value, you can pass the str prompt here. Okay, so once the prompt is done, it will be good. So for this, I created a Lightning Web Component. One important thing to notice, I'm using this as Lightning record page so that I will get the ID of the record. Once the ID is um, received, I'm using get record, and then I'm getting the subject of the, in the fields I am passing the case subject, so I will get the subject of the case record, and I'm using at wire, so I am calling case suggestions. This case suggestions is from this Apex class. I'm calling this OpenAI Apex method. I am passing the subject value. So the subject value that will be passed is the str prompt. So this str prompt should be passed here. I have a hard coded here, but actually it should be passed here. Okay, and in my Lightning web component HTML, I'm iterating the values that I got, and I'm iterating this suggestions. In the suggestions, how I'm displaying my suggestions here is this is the code. It will parse, and then it will display all my suggestions. For example, in your Lightning Web Component, it will be displaying like this. Since it's a demo account, the returned prompt values were very less, but if you use a paid account with the good number of credits, then the number of records that retrieved will have more characters, and this will be very helpful for the case owners when they are assisting their customers. Please check the video description. In the video description, I have shared my blog post. From the blog post, you should be able to get the sample Apex code and the Lightning Web Component code for reference. I hope it was helpful. Thank you for watching.